first term is systematic agriculture. This is the idea that the early people moved away from being nomads and they started keeping animals and the growing of food on a regular basis. So they're no longer moving around quite so much, but they had a more sedentary or stationary lifestyle. Culture is the way of life that a people follow. There are different groups of people in these early civilizations, and so they had different cultures based on the people that created the group. Civilization is a complex culture in which the people share a number of attributes, such as social structure, religion, and art. For our purposes, there are 7 named characteristics of a civilization. They are agriculture, pastoralism, specialization of labor, towns and cities, governments, religions, and technological innovations. As these early cultures no longer focused simply on getting food and surviving, but now they have a sustainable agriculture and surplus, we've got new jobs and new specialization of labor. So we've got artisans. They are a skilled worker who makes products such as weapons and jewelry. And we've got priests. In early urban civilizations, these people were powerful because they supervised rituals aimed at pleasing gods and goddesses. These priests would have worked closely with the ruling class to gain power and to maintain power. Domestication is when something is adapted to life with and to the advantage of humans. Interesting fact, dogs were the first domesticated animal, followed by cattle, horse, sheep, pigs, and chicken. They both helped with the labor in the agriculture, and they themselves were food. This one is a combination of big words, so stay with me. Social hierarchy, also known as social stratification, it refers to the way that a society is organized. It usually is organized by wealth, income, race, education, ethnicity, gender, occupation, or some other means of social status. Hierarchy implies that something is higher than something else, and so that's how societies are organized. And finally, we have pastoralists or pastoralism. This is a person who domesticates animals for food and clothing, and then they move along regular migratory routes to provide grass or food for those animals. By nature, pastoralists are going to meet a lot of people as they move around to follow the grass for their animals. They're also going to own less because they do move around quite a bit, so they've got to be able to pack it up and get going.